Hey, we got fans right here.
Where are you guys parking?
Yeah, just park right here.
We love the show, but we gotta keep the traffic moving through this way.
Back it in there.
I'm recording now, man.
Fuck, bro. I need like kind of spot where people aren't gonna fuck it up.
I'm gonna start
Did you
traveling.
get the Toyotas, the Scion?
It's an FRS, yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna start traveling with you.
Yeah, I hate the Scion badges,
Yeah,
bro.
That's how it
I
is.
get it.
Nicky,
Are you from Spokane? So
Yeah.
this is like the car?
Is this you?
Yeah, yeah.
Can we get this moved because it's blocking all the traffic trying to get through?
It sounds like shit. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, Devin. Devin.
Dude, this is ridiculous.
I'm gonna cut through.
Why are you doing that?
What up?
Hey, what are you doing here? You always like a scene.
Let's run people over, bro.
You sure you stole this up? You sure you got them to move? This thing's sick.
No, it's my favorite out here, yeah. I'm super excited to see it in person, yeah.
Alright, let's do this. Damn, ruining our meat. What up, G? Okay, where's the fuck's Bobby at? I've seen Bobby at all?
No.
Is she driving her car?
Yeah. She probably got stolen, bro. Someone stole it from
Probably
me.
stuck in that long ass line.
No,
that's over there.
she parked last time I talked to her. No different vlog.
Oh.
Maybe they just want donuts. They probably just want donuts. This looks interesting. This looks really interesting. They're on a fucking roll somewhere. This ain't cool. They're just talking to the fellow homies. Oh yeah, it is.
Usually if there's cop lights, I mean, it's meaning to leave. I was like, okay, let me be a dick about it. But
That's what he said?
yeah.
That's funny.
Like, usually they'd be like, oh, if you find a parking spot, just chill.
Yeah.
But,
I'm gonna go 88.
I'm not trying to leave right now. Fuck that.
yeah.
Someone wreck my car, bro.
You guys got the perfect parking spot.
I know.
Too.
These two scooters were in that spot and they both moved for me.
I'm like way down.
What up, bro?
What up?
What are you doing here?
I'm just hanging out.
Bobby, we're walking away. How do you feel about the meet? Literally, it's so insane. They're trying to kick everybody out, but nobody's really leaving right now.
I know.
So
Well,
we're gonna just go walk around, check out the meet. What's up?
Is that recording?
Oh yeah, totally.
what's up?
What up? What up? You're on the YouTube channel, bro?
Hell yeah.
Mustang? Oh yeah, wait for a Mustang. Yay!
Where's everybody going?
Ooh, brand new vet. That's sick.
And the first thing is that we're getting toast.
You're burned out! That'd be fucking funny.
Honestly, doesn't matter.
Oh, that was fucking.
Was that to you?
Yeah, that was Evan and Colt.
What did he say?
I have no clue.
Don't block them!
Good for YouTube! Oh, sorry, bro. That's weak fitment. Look at me just hating on this whip.
You're gonna piss me off.
All the cameras!
Weak fitment! Look how that's so loud. Fucking Prius.
Bro, what's up?
How you doing? Are you out?
Yeah, we're gonna head out.
Why?
I live 2 hours away. That color is so much different in person.
It is. It's way different.
Like, I think it's like a burnt orange almost.
Yeah, I love it. All right,
See you later,
see you, bro.
Okay, new update. Nobody has to go anywhere.
Yeah! We won't leave it anyway.
Alright.
New update on the vlog?
Update on the vlog is people can stay.
Yeah, so they're not kicking us out after all because a bunch of people bounced out. So we're staying here. Everyone else left, but a lot of people left. We're gonna check out.
You don't know what you're talking about. Ah!
Right. Oh, why is there hella people parking next to me? That's trippy. Let's go check in the car. Yeah. How you doing, bro?
Pretty good. Good to see you again.
Good to see you. What's up, man?
Nice to meet you.
Yeah,
Lane.
Oh, Lane. Good to meet you, bro.
Is my makeup sponge?
You alright? You alright? You alright? What up, bro? You don't like it?
I like it. If he went a little smaller,
I was trying.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I was trying.
Yep.
Where's your car at?
Yeah, for us is
Oh, fuck, it's so far.
I know. I want to see how it. So who wrapped it?
Alex.
Wait, is this the white one that?
Yeah, this is that Brandon was shooting.
Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. It looks good.
No, it's really sick.
Like this.
Yeah!
What's up, boys?
Oh! Yeah! Woo!
There's a cool car in front of this crowd.
I need a funny ass shot.
What are we doing now?
We're gonna go walk around a little bit, but I'm fucking hungry. Or freaking hungry, sorry YouTube. Oh, crispy. Check it out. You're famous, man. You're famous, bro. Oh, what up, bro?
Oh!
How you doing?
We're just creeping on your car.
I was showing YouTube the crispy thing you got there.
Flew the drone.
Oh yeah, I flew the drone. I flew the drone up. I flew the drone up way up there to get some dope shit for YouTube for you guys.
Not that dope.
Nothing happened, but I'll still throw it on there. How about weird?
Yeah, I know.
Blow it up! What? Why are you freaking?
Jump! Out of the way! Every day.
Babe, make sure you're like
Wild.
They crazy.
Like get them.
What's your channel?
What's my name? It's Devin, Niemela. I'll show it to you.
Hey, how the fuck am I supposed to know you can't fucking burn out? It's on the fucking thing. What thing? I got called up by some hoe.
I know, that's why I
They're high as hell. Right now, shit, it's like into a meat and burned out, trying to say you're kicking me out. Put a sign up, nigga. That's the rules. Put a sign up. That's the rule. That's what we are telling you right now. I want you to put a sign up. Hey, back up right now. Back up. Clear it out. Move! Back up! Everyone, back up!
We're gonna have a big ass brawl tonight!
What's up, man? What's going on? What do we got going on here?
You know, we did some burnouts at a car meet, but we got some squares saying that fucking burnouts aren't allowed here. So now we're getting bitched at. So I'm just waiting drunk as shit. Like, come on, man, I ain't DD. I ain't DD.
Not okay.
I ain't doing it.
It's not encouraged for the club.
Yeah.
It's not encouraged for the whole car community.
Encouraged. The whole. Oh, you guys are.
Not at the moment, nigga.
Film me. Film me with it. How was I supposed to know? Let's do burnout. Hey, let's bring all the cops here, guys. Let's shut
Everyone do a burnout. If you're not fast enough to run away from the cops, then you're a bitch.
I didn't go right. I didn't go right. Hey, if y'all have a he's dead. I said it's tattletale ass nigga. Hey, you little midget fuck. I said it fell on us. I'll whip it in your face right now. I said it fell on us. Walk back in your truck.
Don't be fucking, don't get whooped right now, you stupid nigga.
I've been ready, bro. I'm still standing on the hood, whether we're driving or not.
Fuck all y'all since you don't like a burnout.
They like burnouts.
What's up, bro?
No one cares.
He's fucking out! Oh my god! Oh my god!
That's the wrong guy!
That's the right dude! What the fuck?
He ran the red light.
I know. Okay, where's fucking Bobby at? You know where she is?
No.
Yeah.
Go film.
Alright. You gotta fucking wait.
They're in a black Pathfinder. Black Pathfinder. Fucking snitch! Fucking snitch! Call me what you want, man. I need to be safe.
Holy fuck.
Oh my god.
Everyone said it goes to the west.
Snitch!
You pulled out the wrong guy.
I know, everyone's telling it, like, everyone's like, wrong guy!
I think I get away.
Yeah, when you need them, right?
What's that?
So when you need them.
Yeah, bro.
Dude, he's gone.
Yeah! Line him up! This is fucking fun, dude.
You got it, you got it.
Oh my god.
What's up?
What up, man?
What up, dude?
What's your name?
Ryan.
Ryan, get me truck. They got the chopper out. Looking for these homies. Babe?
Hello.
Hey, where are you?
I'm sitting in your car.
Okay, good. That's what I thought. I was looking for you over there. I couldn't find you.
No, like a car meet or whatever.
Yeah,
I didn't know that you were from Spokane or anything.
Yeah.
I saw this car. I'm like, I just saw this on Instagram. So
hilarious.
I was wondering if you could do me a favor, if you could just rev it up. Is that possible?
It don't sound cool, but yeah, I can. Definitely can. Here.
No, I guarantee it will.
It sounds alright.
Say it sounds.
Doesn't sound nice. Let's warm it up a little bit. Stock AF, bro. For now. Yeah, for now. No, I'm gonna make it Evo fast. I think I'm gonna leave this thing just slow. So I don't know if you guys saw what went down, but that cop pulled over the wrong guy. It was freaking hilarious. It was insane. You guys can just watch the footage. It was wild. Like, I should have not been egging this on, but it was freaking awesome. If you guys enjoyed the vlog, hit that subscribe button right up in the corner up there. Thank you so much for watching.
What he said. I'm so tired right now.
Just say goodbye.
Peace out.
Bye.
Bye.